As you breathe this evening in your body, feel the waves of light moving through your jaw, lifting yourselves, moving through your vibration. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. The garden I have given to you as a gift. I am Quan Yin. And you know that the garden is the place where you are nurtured and nourished. You know that the garden is the place where you find peace. You know that the garden comes through into the third dimension through the bridge of your heart. Open your heart to the compassionate one. I am Quan Yin. Breathe in the light of the garden, the light of the flowers. Open your hearts. I am Quan Yin. Drawing the breath in. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin. Deep within you, tunes sound, music plays and drum beats. This is the vibration of your creativity, of your dance, of your movement. Take your body out and move with the energy. Take your body out and be with the joy of light. I am Quan Yin, dear sister, I speak to you. I am Quan Yin in the garden. You are all flowers. I look at this garden of all of your souls and all of your soul lights. I look at your earth stars and your soul stars, and I see the petals unfurling. See the light within each other. Suffering is a vibration that all earthlings understand. Suffering is something that was part of the journey and now can be thrown off. The idea of throwing off suffering is frightening on a very deep level, for it is something you have understood and known since you left the garden, something that you have understood and known for so long in your genetic and your karmic heritages. Suffering is not as easy to throw off. Your mind might think, who wants to suffer? Who needs it? I don't want to suffer. And yet you are so deeply connected to it that each and every one of you is suffering in some way. Old hurts, old feelings of being less than, old feelings of being left out, left behind, left back, not good enough, not enough. These hurts or sufferings are deep within the human psyche, and you are working to release those. You are working to release those by opening to them to yourselves. Many of you who are sensitives have wondered why it seems so hard for you in this life, why it seems so painful, and why everyone else seems to be able to get along while you don't. You came in with more sensitive bodies. You came in with more sensitive, empathetic souls. You came in with these sensitive selves to be able to hold and open to the energy, to be able to be the ones that would turn around the suffering. And so you've had to experience the hurt, the pain. And much of that hurt and pain is the vibration that exists in the world that you feel coming from those who are lamenting, those who are lost. I am Quan Yin, the compassionate one. Call on me to bring the waters of compassion through your heart, through your eyes. Sometimes you need to simply be in your body and let the tears flow. Sometimes you simply need to be in your body and let those tears moisten the seeds of compassion within your own heart. I am Quan Yin. I have a deep love for humanity. I have incarnated many times as a human being myself and suffered greatly thinking that was the way to learn compassion. I now know compassion in a different way. Compassion for myself. Know compassion for yourself. Breathe it in now and mentally repeat, I am compassionate with myself. I am compassionate with my human nature. I am compassionate with those parts of my human nature that I push away and do not want to see as part of the image that I hold of myself. My dear ones, you are not an image. You are a whole being. You are a whole universal being. You are a galactic being. Those images that have been projected on you from belief systems, from others' beliefs about you, from your own beliefs about yourself that you carried into this incarnation, those images have been hard to break through at times. Be gentle with yourself. Flow. Let yourself be in the moment. The petals of a flower are so fragile, the fragrance so sweet, and yet a garden's fragrance permeates the night, the jasmine bringing gentle waves of energy, gentle waves of scent that lift the hearts and heal the soul. The rose, all the flowers bringing those scents that open your hearts and open your senses.